Come on. Everybody, are you ready with the material?
Bye. So, moving on to the craft with all the material that you have, what we are going to create. Would you like to see what we are going to create? Something like this.
Oh, it's beautiful. Wow.
Yeah. So the black sheet is going to be our main card. And with the white sheets, we're going to create these popsicles, these beautiful popsicles. You all see we're going to create different shapes with different messages and all. So let's just dive into it right away and start doing it.
Right. So we have many viewers, Shimu. Viewers, if you have, like, guys, thank you for joining us. And if you have any questions during the craft, please post it in the comment section. I'll be reading out the comments to Shimoli and she'll be answering all your queries. So let's get ready with the craft. Let's get started.
Great. So first of all, please take your white sheet, the white sheet that you have. I'll just change my view so you can see what I'm doing. And if you have any queries, just like Preeta mentioned, you just go to the comment section and type it for us. So take your white sheet and okay. I'm going to make it with a marker so that everyone can see what I'm doing. But what you have to do is you have to draw it with a pencil so that you can erase it later on. तो पहले आपको जो पॉप्सिकल, ये हम पॉप्सिकल जो बना रहे हैं, उसके लिए आपको शेप बनाना है. You know, you can see the shape. You can see the shape. It's like a U, right? So we are going to make that U shape. Here again, you can take a scale and you can do it. But I would suggest just go by your judgment. Make a ulta U, so you have to do like this. You have to make a U. You'll not be able to see because I'm doing it with pencil and it's really light. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to use a marker. And there we have our popsicle ready. तो आपको ये करना है, जैसे एक आपको 2-3 इसी शेप के बनाने हैं तो आप इस तरह से 2-3 बना दीजिए. U and a line. Come on, do it with me. And when you're doing it, and if you want to, ask something, please write in the comment or just share pictures with us so we know what's happening. Okay? And if you want to add some more shapes, we can make a star or a flower, a butterfly, a star or a butterfly. You can make a cloud. You can make a flower like this. You can create any different things like a leaf shape or a flower. Okay? Once you're done, please write in the comment section so we can move on. Yeah. See, now what we are doing is just cut your piece, cut your U. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes. So we're just going to cut along the lines. Preeta, are there any questions?
No questions yet. So guys, if you are, they're getting it, Shimu. They're saying done. They got the U
Done.
shape.
Okay, yeah. Perfect. So once you're done, please use your finger.
Shimoli, just a second. Somebody just joined. Can you just show them what all you did? Maybe do not do it, but just show them what you just did before this.
Sure. So what I just did is I have taken the white sheet and I have made a shape of a popsicle. So I've done a U shape with a line. You can even do a star. We talked. You can do a heart. You can do a cloud. You can do, flower. You can do whatever you wish to. And then you just have to cut it out. I'm doing it with a marker so everyone can see. But for everyone, they have to use the pencil so they can erase it. Okay?
All right, perfect. Shubhangi, you got it. We are moving to the next section now.
All right. And from your white sheet, you also have to take a scale and make, slanting lines. Make a square shape first, and then like this, make a square shape, and then just have little slanting lines so as to give it an effect of a pot or a vase or a pocket. We give you options, but for now, I'll just show it to you.
So this, we are drawing out the pocket. Hope everybody is getting it. Please show us a thumbs up in the comment if you're getting it.
I think we should have some music with us. What do you think, Preeto?
Yes, that would be wonderful. We hope you have your coffees or teas along with you, which you can sip intermittently. So let's enjoy this session with some music as well.
And it's so amazing, when we make cards for our fathers, we, think about all the stories and all the incidences जो होता है हमारे साथ, कितनी बातें याद आती है, जैसे पापा कुछ चीजें बोलते रहते हैं हमेशा हमें, ये करना है, वो करना है. So
Shimoli, most of our audience, they can understand English. So maybe we can keep that as our language of communication.
Okay, sure. So definitely, so when we think of our dads, fathers, we always remember them fondly and everything that they used to tell us, when we were young, and now we understand it's so true.
So also share in the comment section with us one special quality of your dad that you really admire. We'll find a way to incorporate that in the craft as well. Do write in the comment section what is that one great thing about your father that you absolutely adore him for.
Sorry. Great. So while you're thinking, you can also just write that and cut your shapes. So we are going to make 3 today, so you can cut any 3 shapes of your choice. It could be a U, like I said, it could be a cloud. I'll just draw shapes. I'll not cut all of them, but I'll just draw it for you. I'll give you more options. Just go along the edge. All right. So you can cut your shapes, keep your waist. And once you're done, just let us know so we can move forward and, get on to the next section of our art.
Are you following until here? Have you all done the cutting? Yeah. Oh, somebody doesn't understand the pocket. Sheetal, we haven't taught you how to stick the pocket yet. You just have to cut a square piece like a pocket.
You just have to cut.
You just have to show the pocket piece that you have cut.
All right. Okay. See, what we're going to do is, like we have this pocket, we're going to color it all first. And maybe later, once it dries off, I'm going to show you how you can paste it. And then you can use it as your little pocket. Now, the thumb rule for pocket again is, depending on your page. So I can't give you a fixed measurement for it. But say, if your black sheet is this much. So ideally, just a little bit. So like a 1/3 or 1/3 may, it should be in the middle. That small should be your pocket, so it can hold everything, and little deep enough that even the sticks can stay in, right? So here we've taken this shape.
Yes.
If you want, you can take a straight square or just make a circle, or the way you like. If you're making a circle, you have to cut it a little so it can hold sticks again. Is that clear to everyone?
Shivani, that's good. Some
Okay,
of them have
great.
just joined, so I'll repeat the instruction for them. You can
Perfect.
carry on.
Perfect.
Maybe can you show the popsicle once?
Oh yes, definitely. So
This is what we are going to make today. So the people who have just joined, just draw a reverse U on your sheet and cut it in the shape of a popsicle. Like in the shape of you, reverse U. Can you see the reverse U? Shweta, this is for you. You just draw a reverse U on your white sheet and you cut the shape out of it. Then we are just going to begin the watercolor technique now. Okay? All right, let's move ahead.
all right, great. So for the techniques, for the watercolor, first of all, even before we start with the colors, I just want to tell all of you, just enjoy the process. This has to be fun, right? So while we are doing these colors, you have to feel really relaxed. At any point of time, if you feel like, you know what, I'm not feeling relaxed, stop there. Take a pause, breathe, and come back. So here, take your water jar, your shapes, keep your shapes ready. Don't forget your pockets. All right. Take your color.
This is for Tanvika in the comment section. You said no for something. Can you just repeat what you didn't get? Maybe we can try to explain it to you one more time. Oh, Archana has given us some appreciation. Thank you, Archana. I hope you and Aniruddha are enjoying the activity.
All right.
The more you meditate.
All right. So we have our colors. And first, we're going to start with a basic, simple coloring technique on our waist. So I'm going to make simple lines. If you want to, try something else, try something different, you're free to do it. That's the beauty of today. There's nothing fixed for the session. You can try it on. I'm just going to put some light music along. If you're able to hear me clearly, please give a thumbs up in the comment section. I'm taking the vase. I'm taking the vase and now I'm painting it. I think I will go with maybe a little orange color. You can pick your own color, you can paint with your dad's favorite color, or you can just go about and paint whatever you feel like, if you feel like painting it a yellow or purple or the way you like, or I think I'm going to make it a little peachish tone, but let's see how it turns out. Yeah. All right. So what I'm going to do is simple lines, starting it from the bottom. Simple lines. See, we're just letting it flow. We're just letting it flow. Go with the flow. That's the beauty of watercolors. And while you're doing it, please take pictures. You're going to like to visit it again. So I'm not using any fancy things. Very simple things. Very, very simple things. And there you go.
So we are just working with our round brush. I hope you all are using your watercolors now and using this simple technique to create some beautiful types. You don't have to choose orange or tangerine. You can pick up any color of your choice. Go ahead
Any
with
color of your choice.
colors.
we can choose any color. The one I did earlier, I'd taken a purple color, and that also looks beautiful. And you can go in with a blue, or you can go in with, you can even choose this palette. So shades of purple. Is it clear?
Yes, Shimo, I think everybody is following it. So we
Okay.
are just coloring the pocket. If you have any like queries related to it, please write it down in the comment section and we'll help you out. And keep sharing your pictures on WhatsApp as you are progressing in your art and craft. If you need any help, any improvisations, we can help you there as well. Yes, Mahendra, we are painting the pocket.
Great, great, great. And Preeto, in this ways, if you really want your edges to be really clean, we can even mask it with a tape. We can
Right,
mask it with tape, and then if we can use it. But today, I just thought, we should do something which is really organic and
right.
something where we don't want to use scales, and where we don't want to, have that edge and crispness on the lines. We just want to go organic today. So just go back to lines wherever you feel like you want to add color. Just take your sweet time. And there we have, I'll just show it to you. There we have our vase. Let it dry. Let us know if you're done with your vase. Comment in the section. Please leave a comment if you're done with your vase. And while painting this, just think
Uh,
about,
Mansi, there's a question from Mansi. Yes,
okay,
you can choose any color that you like. You don't
any
have
color.
to
Yeah, I
color.
mentioned it. I mentioned it. Yeah, absolutely.
Pick
You
up a
can.
color that you love. It could be pink, purple, green, blue, anything that you like. It doesn't have to be stripes also. You can choose any pattern that you want. We're just going to create a pocket to hold all the popsicles and the flower, the one that you're painting just now. Okay, so we are getting a lot of people have completed until here, Shimoli, so we can move to the
Okay.
next part.
Great, great. Let's move on to the next part now. And just a moment. You can even cut this kind of shapes for your pot. So I've just cut one shape for the pot. You can even cut a triangle the way you like, okay? And then you can do it. So now let's move on to more techniques. First of all, I think my favorite Pluto. Can we start with wet on wet? I think it's a beautiful technique and it gives you so much of scope of experimenting with the colors. So I think I'm going to go with wet on wet technique, for which you just clean your brush, clean your brush, apply some water, apply the water on your surface. So you're just add some water, add some water generously, so the colors can spread and organically they can just spread in. Can you see clearly? Rita, are you able to, is everybody
Yeah,
able
if you're not able to follow, let me just repeat it for you. You might not be able to see. We have just painted the entire U shape white cutout with water, nothing else but with water. So you're just wetting the
Yeah.
entire sheet, okay?
All right. So I'm just diving into some of the colors that I like. Excuse my palette, please. I love to paint, so I have colors all over.
Artist's palette.
So I'm just going in with
Thank you,
very
Shri.
positive and lovely yellow, lemon yellow. And can you see
Beautiful.
how the color is just organically spreading? And now I think I'm just going to go in with a little bit of blue. So like I said, you can take colors of your choices. Just watch this. It's so amazing the way the colors just travel by. It's beautiful. It's such an amazing experience. Just let it flow. I'm gonna go into my pink, little bit of pink.
Shimoli, maybe you can
Ideally,
go a little slow with this technique. It's so
yeah,
beautiful to see the paints merge, but at the same time, it's a bit confusing for everybody. How is this happening? So maybe
okay.
you can explain a bit more while you're doing it.
I'm going to do, Prita, I'm going to do two more. Sorry, I'm going to do two of these. So
Tanvika,
one,
we are going to do two more of these. So you just try this on. If you don't understand, leave a comment and we'll get right back to you.
okay, perfect. So what I'm doing is, okay, I'll just tell you again what I've done. I'll show it to you again. I'll keep it here to dry. And okay, I'm taking another one. See, I'm just cleaning my brush. I'm dabbing my brush, cleaning it. Now I'm going in with the brush. I'm taking some water and just giving it a wash, like giving my paper a wash with water. See, can you see it? Again, if your paper is too thin and if you'll apply too much of water, the paper might, start to tear. So make sure, like we had mentioned, have a thick sheet. So the one I'm using is GSM 300. It's a very thick paper and it's a watercolor sheet. So you can use any thick sheet. Don't use printer papers or those kind of papers because then they'll start to tear. Okay. So here we go. I've just applied water. Can you see? It's really wet. Let me just bring it closer. Can you all see? It's really wet.
Yeah, Shimu, we can see it like, the glistening on it or the shine on it because of the water. We can see.
Okay. Great, 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 great. So I'm just going to apply a little more water. And now you see, I'm just going in with the colors, whichever colors you like. So I think ये थोड़ा mango color type है.
Shimon, I have a question. Do the
Yeah.
colors need to be like really wet, or you are just taking a little bit of water on your brush while you're doing this?
I'm just taking a little bit of water because the water is there on the
Sheet already.
sheet already. It's absorbing it. See, this is absorbing it. I'm
So
just
you're
when
just,
it's going.
you're just loosely putting colors on different parts of the sheet, right?
Yes, absolutely. I'm just
Awesome. Okay.
putting in colors. Then if you feel like the colors are not, you know, the spreading across, you can add a little bit more of water and then just look at it. Not doing anything.
Do remember to take pictures because when the colors merge together, they create something beautiful. And do share with us the beautiful creations that you are creating at home. Okay, share with us on the email ID that we have shared with you, or on Instagram, or on the WhatsApp group. We will be also giving 5 certificates of appreciation to the 5 best artworks.
Wow, that's
So keep
amazing.
sharing the pictures with us.
Beautiful. Can you just see? I'm just going in with colors, and it's made a gray shade and some purple out there. It's such a beautiful shade. Just let it go. Just let it go. Beautiful. So I'm not planning on which color I will take next. Whichever color I feel like while looking at my palette, I'm just diving in that color and doing it along. Try it out. And yeah, one more thing. Like if you're going to go into a light shade, make sure you wash your brush so it doesn't turn out to be muddy. There you go. So these are the two things, two popsicles that we have made by using wet on wet technique. Please write in the comment section if you want me to do one more of wet on wet technique, or else we'll move to another technique. And also please share your pictures so we know, and we can also see the amazing work that you're doing.
Shimu, we received a beautiful picture from Sia in the group. Sia, you're doing great. We love your work.
Lovely. See, I'm so sorry I can't see it right now, but I think after the session, Preeto is going to share it with me. So I'm sure it's amazing. So for now,
Guys, Shivali has a lot to share with us. So if you got the wet on wet technique, do let us know in the comment section. Shimoli can show us another technique to create another kind of pattern for these popsicles. Do quickly let us know in the comment section with a thumbs up or yes that you already got this technique. Then we can move on to the next part.
right.
Shivani, it's great, isn't it? How technology is enabling the two of us to connect together, and it's connecting us to so many people. And
across the countries, across such a lot of distance, and we all are here.
Awesome.
It's really amazing.
Great. So Shivani, I'm getting a lot of yes. I think everybody got the wet on wet. You can move to the other technique. We got a yes from Sia, Priyanka, Shweta.
Great. So let's move on to another technique. We are going to do the dry, and then we are going to pull out those colors. Just let me just put this across. All right. So in this technique, what we are going to do is we're going to take some color and loosely make like shapes with it. You know, pick up a color and make shapes with it. I'm choosing a circle. You can make a square. You can create a triangle, a rectangle, or just lines. The way you like it. Okay. All right. So I've just created these little rings, and now I'm going to go with my water, but I'm going to make sure that my brush is not too wet. So I'm going to make sure it is wet. It is not wet, and then I'm just it's too wet. 1 minute. Okay. Now I'm going to just pull in the color. I'm just going to pull in the color like this. Just do it gently. And just one other color. Just a hint of it. Okay, we're going to pull the color. Because it's a watercolor, it won't, even if it dries out, it's going to give you a little bit of those, colors will flow in, give you gradients. So this technique.
I was about to ask you, Shimoli, if this technique is called the gradient technique.
Oh yes, this is the gradient technique.
So okay, Shimoli, we are getting a lot of query, like they're asking, they join late, so they're asking about the previous technique. Just to let all of you know that we are going to save this live video. So why don't you follow this technique, the one that Shimoli is showing us now, and you can always go back and look at the live tutorial, the technique that we showed earlier. Do not worry, we will save this video for you, okay? So you can always go back to it and look at it.
Thank you. All right. See, the ones where you would have done, where the color is more, you'll get brighter gradients, and where you would have lighter colors, you'll get a very slight hint of colors, but it'll look really pretty by the end of it. So just go with the flow. And I've made it all in one color. You can even make like the same thing in 3-4 different colors. You can do it with really different colors and just go in and pull some color from the shape and let it just flow. The best part about watercolor is it's such an interesting medium because you can never know what's going to happen. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful medium. Like I've used all pink here. You can go around, color it with all your favorite colors on one popsicle, and it can be really colorful. And just slightly getting the colors. And while you're doing this, just think about how grateful you are to your dad, for everything that has gotten you in your life, for everything that he is doing for you. Of course, there's not, we can't just celebrate it for a day. It's every day, but still, today is all the more special. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and we are creating this beautiful, beautiful popsicle card. Make sure your brush is not too wet, because if you put too much of water, it will start bleeding out of the shape. If you can see, it's not bleeding out of the shape anywhere, right? Because I'm taking very controlled water. If you want me to show you how it will bleed, I'll take a little bit of water in one of the circles and show it to you on a different piece of paper. And another trick and technique and tip, if you say, for watercolor is like so. In this one, I've used a little more water. If that happens, dab your cloth very lightly. Very lightly dab your cloth. Can you see? Can you see? Preeti, can we see this? The water?
Yeah, we can see the water is shining very nicely. Are you all following this technique? Please, are you all following the gradient technique? Please give us a thumbs up in the comment section, or just write a yes or can, whatever you feel like. Some affirmation so that we know you are getting it. And we're loving all the pictures that we are receiving on WhatsApp.
Lovely.
It's so beautiful to see, everybody's palette is different. Such different hues of colors popping in.
So amazing. So I'm going to let this dry for a bit, and once it dries off, I'm just going to give a light background to it. This is going to look like, a polka dotted gradient popsicle. I think I don't need to do this again. This is quite easy and understandable. So can we move on to the next technique? Are you all ready?
I think yes, Shimoli. Anyways, we are going to save this video.
Great.
So we can move to something else now. Can you show us the ones that you have done for inspiration? You have done many designs.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Please vote for your favorite designs, the ones which you like, and maybe we can do that design in this section next.
All right. So here you go. I thought of making a garden.
Okay.
So what I did was, in that theme, I made you.
Okay, so we have butterfly, leaf, flowers.
We have a butterfly. We have flowers. We have a leaf. So this is the garden theme, and then we've done some amazing. So I so enjoyed it.
I love this one, the one with different colors and the swirl.
Oh, yeah.
I love that one.
I just put a black sheet so everyone can just see it clearly.
Right.
So it's this one, and then
Shimali, how did you do that? Like the one that you have written, Dad, you are amazing. Maybe you can show us. Guys, please vote for your favorite ones. I'm looking at so many beautiful designs and I want to learn all, but maybe because of lack of time, we might be able to do one or two more. So let us know which one you love the most and we can take that next.
So I've done a wet and wet, like we just did one. So I've gone ahead with that one. With the lighter ones, you can go in with the dark
Okay.
colors, and then maybe if you've done a darker one, you can go in with whites. That will just
Okay.
stand out. You can try doing it. You can
Okay.
even just take some one color, maybe acrylic color or something, and just paint it around, and then write it with a pen or
So
maybe
you
a,
have written on top of it after you have painted it
yeah.
very wet. You have
Oh,
written
yes.
these.
After
Okay.
after it dries out,
Okay.
then you can write it down.
All right.
All right, and then I think I really love this.
Yeah, this is really good. So cute. Yeah.
I really like it. So this is again. I've just taken a piece of paper here and stuck it with. I've cut it along the edge. I'll just, you know,
Okay.
dismantle it for you. I've just cut this piece, a little piece, like it's a bite, and then I've just stuck it here. So right
So
on
it
the
looks
edge.
like you have taken a bite from it, right?
Yeah, it just gives.
That's very cute. So a lot of people are saying they like this. Maybe we can look
Okay.
at the others also.
Great. And you know what? Like I've picked these colors. These are really bright. You can go with
Yep.
the theme of pastels, or you can go with the theme of bright, or just the yellows, or just the blues. Maybe
Right.
if you have your dad has a favorite color, you can just go with those colors. You know, it will
That's a
make
great idea.
amazing popsicles. And I love this.
Wow. If there are kids in here, I'm sure they're gonna love this. This is like superhero themed one, isn't it?
Yes, that's a Superman super dad. And
That's
this
very
one, of
nice.
course, we all love.
Yeah. So I know some kids who have joined, like Neera, Varima, and all of you. Maybe you can try the superhero themed one as well.
Oh, yes.
You can take a quick picture from the screen to follow the same pattern. Maybe Shimoli, you can hold it for a second and they can take a picture.
Oh, yes. I'll just hold it. Just a minute. Where's my? Yeah, it's in my hand. Oh, oh. Actually, the thing is, I've painted both the sides. So,
Perfect.
all right.
Yes.
So, what I've done on this one, I've painted both the sides actually. I've painted both the sides. You can see this.
Yeah, I
It's
love the dots at the
yeah.
top.
Then I've put dots over it, and then on this one, I've just put. So I've used the gradient theme, and then I've just covered it with blue color, like we did in the vase.
Right.
Can everyone see this? Okay,
This is
great.
a gradient technique, right? You pick up a like dark color and then you
Yeah,
just
and then you just watch it down with
with the
water.
water.
It just gets a little lighter.
All right. So
Take
let's
away
do let's do
before
one of
we
these
move on.
now.
Before we move on, I have a little magic fairy. How about
Really?
that?
Yeah, sure.
I have a sheet and I'm going to
Okay.
color it with one color. Okay, please write in the comment box your favorite color. So if you tell me to color it with one color and maximum people tell us a color, we're going to paint it with that.
Okay. So let us know your favorite colors in the
Let
comment
us know your
section.
favorite
Quickly,
color.
very quickly.
One color. Quick, quick, quick.
Meanwhile, Shimoli, we are getting a lot of pictures on WhatsApp as well.
Oh, that's amazing. And look
Yeah.
at this little flower, this peachy peachy flower.
Yeah, that's so cute as well.
Little peachy flower.
Shimoli, we have a request for red color.
Okay. Everyone has a request. Any other color? Or should I dive into red?
Sky blue is also there. Blue is another favorite.
Okay. Maximum जो आ रहा है वही. Let's pick.
So I think red seems to be the majority. No, blue is the majority.
Blue. All right.
It's blue for
Okay.
sure. Yeah, we're
Then
getting a lot of blues.
let's freeze onto the blue.
Okay.
So I'm going in on my paper with the blue.
All right.
Okay. Let's see. All right. All right. And there is going to be some magic.
We are getting pink and maroon so everyone, why don't you pick your favorite color and do the same technique on the
Look
sheet
at
with
the
the color that
magic. Don't miss on the magic while you're...
Whoa, that's cool.
All right, so that's the magic, and it's a very... What do you think? Can you comment in the... can you give us a comment? What do you think? How did I do it? Then I'm going to share it with you, how I've done it. There are 2 ways you can do this. All right, please comment and tell us, what do you think? What have I used? All right, Preeti, are we getting any comments? Are they getting to know what we've done?
We are just getting comments like, how did you do it?
Yes, how did I do it?
Okay, we have some guesses. So
Okay.
Nancy says it's candle. Upma
Lovely.
says it's wax, and Mamta says it's wax crayon.
Lovely. So 3 rounds of... Wonderful. 3 rounds of cheer for everyone. And with this technique, it's you all are right. We can do it with both the things. You can use a simple white crayon or a candle, the way you like it. You can use both, a white crayon and a candle. And with that, I made few more. I'll just show it to you. Look at this. I've created some... Can you see this? Preeti, is this clear?
It is clear. Shimali, can you hold it one more second?
Yes.
Guys, folks, you can take a picture of this for some inspiration of how to make different patterns and colors. So I'll give you a bigger screen for this one. Go ahead and take a picture. Shimali is going to hold it for 10.
All right. Let's do one now. Want to make one of these right now? Write to us in the comments so we know. Let's do it. Okay. Let's do it. All right. This time, I'm using the crayon.
Are you able
I think I'm
to
just
hear Shimali's voice properly? Earlier, I wasn't able to. So just want to make sure. Please give us a thumbs up if you can hear her well.
all right. So this time I'm just going in with a couple of hearts just in half section, and in the half I'm going to go with some crisscross. So I'm just going to go 1, 2.
So Shimali, you're doing all this with a white crayon, right?
Yeah, it's a white crayon.
Okay,
And
all right.
So the key to this is just look at it from a slant view. You will get to see a little shining thing. I don't think I can show it to you on the camera, but if you're doing it at your home, just hold it. Just hold it and see it across. So you will see little lines, and then feel free. Just go with your favorite color. I think the second favorite color was pink. Pink last time, right? So I'll go in with the pink now. Okay, there we go. Are you all with me? Please write in the comment section so we know we are all together. We are enjoying this. I think I'll make it 2 colors this time. Wait, let's see. And I'm just going in with the paint and lightly painting it. There you go. All the hearts for dads out there. All the
It's
loving, lovely brand.
magic. We love you, Shimoli. It's beautiful.
And I think, which color should we paint in the second half of the candy or the popsicle? Come on, I think
Purple was a huge favorite, Shimoli. Maybe you can go for purple.
purple. Great. Let's
Yes.
let's go for a purple then. A light purple. Okay. All right. All right. There we are going in with the purple. I love this technique. It's so amazing and it's so satisfying to watch it. Just hold it lightly and just take your brush along. Easy, easy peasy. Look at that. Tell me, how do you like this? And which colors are you going to use to make your own popsicle? Let us know. Let us know in the comments. So now we have our base. We have our gradients, gradient one, and then we have two of those wet on wet. And do we want to do a flower?
Shimoli, we are looking at 10 more minutes, so maybe we can just wrap up.
The time flew by.
We also like how to put everything together. Maybe you can show us
Right.
that. And also,
Sure.
I think we would love to know how you write on top of that wet on wet technique. If it's dry, right? How do you write messages on top of it? Maybe you can show us that as well.
Sure. Actually, the ones that we have made, it will take some more time to dry out. So can I use the previous ones? The what
Sure,
which I have made?
Yes, go ahead. Yes.
So I'll just take one of these, and you can write. You can go in with your marker. You can go in with your marker, or you can go in with your sketch pens. Any brand sketch pens. Or you can even go with the brush if you're really confident of using a brush. You can go in right with your brush. So I think for now, I will go in with a sketch pen. And there can be so many things you can write to your dad. So one we've written is, "You are
Nancy,
amazing."
Nancy, what shape are you asking about? We are doing like popsicle shape, and you can do flower shape, star shape, any shape. Like if you're asking the shapes that Shimoli is doing right now, those are popsicles and flower shape, most of them.
Okay. So my superhero, my dad. We can even write that. My superhero, my dad. Or here I've written, "Dad, you're amazing." And Preeti and I, we were talking about this, and we both said that whenever we are, when life drives us mad, for Preeti and me, we scream, "Dad, we need your help." So even that can be a good one. Preeti, what do you think? When life drives me mad, I
Yeah,
scream, "Dad."
ice cream, like ice cream. So that's a clever one.
Yeah, that's interesting. So
Right.
for now I'm writing my dad, my superhero. How about that?
That's a good one. That's a popular one.
Okay. Okay. And meanwhile, can you all just write to us in the comments what would you like to write to your dad? And I will just write it here. In two techniques we can write. So I've taken a blue, so I'm keeping the theme of blue and going in with my blue marker or a sketch pen. My dad, my hero. If you all know calligraphy and you want to write it with some really nice handwritings, you go ahead, do it. You can write it like this, and then maybe superhero. So I'm just going to write here super. I'm just going to write it like this. So my dad, my superhero. And if you've done it with a dark shade, I think it's almost right. So if you've done it something with your dark shade, what you can do is just go in with the white color. Just a minute. Any simple colors that you have. So one way of doing it is writing like this, like directly with the colors, or else for this one I'm just going in and making a rough kind of white colored, I'm just creating this sort of thing where I can write. So I'll let this dry and write over it with a pen or maybe a marker, maybe a permanent marker, or bold markers. You can even try out the pens. So there are these 2-3 ways of doing it. And of course, the one that we recently saw, you can even write it with your crayon and then color your popsicle. So maybe that is another way of doing it. So here, for an example, you can see this, the one in blue, you are special. Can you see this? Can everyone see this? Please give us a thumbs up.
Yes, we can see that.
Yes. So you are special. So that this technique. Yeah, I love you, Papa. Absolutely, you can write that. I love you, Papa. And then you can see all the different techniques that I've done. I've just done a baby line here, I've done a crisscross here, and just little hearts here, and 2 little designs on 2 sides here, little stars. I love how this has turned out. This color.
Yeah.
It's very soothing.
Right.
And this again here also I've written, but I've taken a very light color, so it's not visible. And this I've done mix, like I've taken 2-3 shades.
We hope you all are enjoying this special Father's Day workshop so far. Let us know in the comment section if you love it, and we can plan some more workshops for you in the future if you give love to this one. All right. Okay, so give us some love, and we will be just wrapping this session up now. Shimoli will teach
I'll just tell you,
and how to do the popsicle stick sticking to your the sheet. So let's learn how to bring it all together. Yes.
Okay. So I'll just declutter the space. Just taking it all away. Okay. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay. I'm just going to show it to you on 1, so you'll get an idea. You can do it on rest of it. You all are smart. Smart बच्चे और बड़े भी. Okay. So I'm taking this one. Turn it around. Have your popsicle stick placed there. Make sure 1/3 of it, 1/3 or more, is on the page so that it can hold. If you do it like this, you know what will happen? I'll just show it to you. It will not hold. It will be very wobbly. Yeah? It will wobble. And it will come out. So what you need to do is, you need to place it a little 1/3 inside, and you can use your tape, you can even use your Fevicol, but I'm going ahead and using my tape. Here I'm using a Scotch tape, but you can use any other tape. Go in and make a crisscross, 1 and or 2. That's simple. And your popsicle's ready.
Yay. Actually, Shimoli and I were discussing that what if you don't have a popsicle stick at your home? So we have a DIY for that as well, which Shimoli is going to share with you.
Absolutely. Thank you for reminding me. And this one, this is a wooden spoon or disposable spoon. I'm just going to break it off from. So simple. And if you have a plastic one, just cut it with your scissors. It might break, yeah. So, but we can't put this part along because then it will, it will bend the paper. So instead, we break it off, and then, like we discussed, let's do it for this one. All right. Secure it nicely, and then it's ready. So you have to do it only on one side. I was too excited, so I painted both the sides of all the popsicles. So you don't have to do that. All right. So now comes the vase. And for vase, what we're going to do is, I'll just show it to you. We're going to place it like this. And just, we'll do a rough marking so we know where we're going to place it. And on the other side, we're going to take some Fevicol. Can everyone see it? Okay. All right. I think now it's visible. Now, I'm just putting some Fevicol and I'm going to let it, dry once I paste it. So right here, I just pasted it. I'm going to let it dry. Now see, there's only one great technique to this, that while you are, letting it stick, just put 2 to 3 popsicles right there. So it will create this chotu sa pocket kind of thing. I'll just show it to you like this. Can you see it in the purple one? There's some space. Can you see it? There is some space, right? There is some space if you can see this. I've taken it all close to the camera.
See the space.
Yeah.
It's visible.
Yeah. So you're going to take those 3 popsicles and just put them in. So this will also create a little pocket for it. And give it some time. Give it some good time, 5-10 minutes or maybe a little more. If you're in a hurry, please use your hairdryer or full fast pankha. And then let it dry. And then, absolutely, just, you can go in with your favorite ones. And there you go. Share your story with us and share what you write to your dad and make your Father's Day really, really special. So, Preeti,
hope you had a great time with us in this session. Let us know what would you like to learn next. And do share your pictures in the WhatsApp group after you have finished your entire thing before you present it to your father, or even better, when you're presenting it to your father, then also share,
Lovely, we will love it.
right? And we will repost all your pictures that you share with us through our Instagram handle. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you can know about the next workshops that we will be conducting very soon.
Absolutely, and also tag us on the Instagram. We are going to repost it, and like Preeti mentioned, we are going to give 5 certificates to like 5 people whose work is going to be amazing. So keep posting to us, and we're going to let you all know by Monday who are the 5 people.
So we are sharing our Instagram handles and email ID in the comment section. So you all can just note it down somewhere. We'll be also posting it in the WhatsApp group. So thank you all for spending your Saturday evening with us. It was great having you all. And we really hope that your father likes it as well, and have a great Father's Day.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Shimoli, for conducting this special session on Babzara's Facebook page. It was lovely having you.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed it as well. I really had a great time. And thank you, Preeti, for having me over on your channel. And I'm so looking forward to, next workshop.
Yes, I'm so excited as well. Next time, I'm gonna grab all the colors, and I'm also gonna do the craft along with commenting, moderating. I had a great time.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining us. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Love. Yes. Shimoli, before we end, do you want to show some of your artwork to us? Guys, I really love her mandala patterns. I should tell you, she is a mandala expert. And I love the session which I attended. Her mandala session was so calming with the music. And it was very, very soothing and such a lovely experience for me. Do you have any of your mandala paintings with you, Shimu, that you can share?
There are some mandalas right over there, and some.
All right. So any of you, if you're looking to learn mandala, make sure you connect with Shimoli on her Instagram page or on her email ID. And maybe we can, oh, that's beautiful. It needs a full screen.
I've actually pasted them all over my home now. So lockdown has been a mandala phase for me. I've just, I can just take you around. Mandala is everywhere around. It's all across my home.
Give us a quick tour, Shimoli, before we say bye-bye. Oh, it's beautiful.
And then I have this is with an ink pen. Then, so yeah, these kinds. Some are work in progress, I think. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I hope you all had a great time.
Yes. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.